Maer is a European EV charging company owned by Statkraft, Europe's largest producer of renewable energy. New land developments are an exciting opportunity for landowners to join the transition to electric mobility by turning their land into an EV charging hotspot. Maer supports landowners who are looking to redevelop and repurpose unused or derelict land by installing reliable, convenient EV charging hubs. Is your land situated along a busy highway, near trunk roads, or nearby motorway junctions? These types of locations consistently rank highly in terms of our predicted utilization, increasing their site's desirability. Do you see a high traffic count in and around your land? The more drivers that pass through your area, the more opportunity there is to attract EV drivers to stop and charge at your location. A purpose-built EV charging hub is ideal for capturing passing EV drivers. Is there space for amenities in addition to your chargers, like toilet facilities, a coffee shop, or food retailers? Drivers are always looking for a convenient and enjoyable charging experience. Adding shops and eateries for them to enjoy whilst they wait for their vehicles to charge is a major attraction. A multi-bay EV charging installation could be the first step to unleashing your land's potential. From site design to grid connection, D&O requests to charge point installations, renewable energy supply to back office support and aftercare, your entire EV charging development is taken care of with Maer. Contact us today to start the journey to installing future-fit EV charging on your land.